Hey friends, we're going to do some moving and grooving here. We're going to use a kettlebell and we're going to use a heavier wooden club. You can also do this with a sandbag, or you can do it with a iron club or a steel club. It works beautifully regardless. This comes from the Karlakattai tradition in Tamil, India. Okay, so here's what it looks like. We're going to start with just get your swing going. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a hand shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a hand shift. So, do the same thing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this really works. Core, grip, coordination, so grab your tool, whatever you're going to use, get out there, get moving and grooving. But remember, watch the knees. Do not smack your legs in front or in back. Make sure you get your rotation enough so that you can get plenty of clearance front and back. Make it fun.